Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday cleaning motivation. For this, I am following Brianna K's Sunday to-do list. The first thing I did was my meal prep, starting with some chicken tenderloins, a cup of water to make some chicken broth, and then on top of the chicken in the crock pot, I added garlic salt, cumin, and chipotle chili powder. And it made some really good shredded chicken for my meals for the week. So on my list, I am crossing off cleaning the fridge and grocery shopping. I usually do those things on Saturday just so they are out of the way and I am ready to focus on the meal prep and the other house cleaning task on Sunday.
I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So now that Michael's bed is made, I am taking out his sheets as well as all of his other laundry just to get all that done at once.
My troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now.
Now I'm going to get Michael's outfits ready for the week. So the first one is for Monday, and then I have my chalk labels for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm just showing you how they look. And then I'm showing you the Thursday one because there's nothing with it because this Thursday is Halloween. Next up, I'm going to work on my schedule for the week. So I'm starting off with my meal plan and I'm getting all my lunch ideas and dinner ideas written down on this awesome printout, also from Brianna K. And after that, I will just clean off my my 1 week whiteboard and write out any big activities that are going on for the upcoming week.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.
Next, I'm going to be cleaning off the high chair, getting rid of stuff on my dining room table and getting that cleared, and then vacuuming the entire dining room and kitchen.
Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me.
Next up, I tackled picking up all the toys in the living room. And once the floor was cleared, I went ahead and vacuumed, and I realized my couches were a little gross. So I gave them a nice vacuum as well.
Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
I also vacuumed my hallway and Elijah's bedroom and my bedroom.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoe.
Now I'm just wiping down the outside of all of my big appliances. So I am doing the dishwasher, the range, and refrigerator.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Next up is mopping, and for this I am just using my Cedar spin mop, and for the liquid I just did hot water with a little bit of Fabuloso.
Cover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dawn. A bigger
To get ready for Monday, I just made sure that I had my jacket and Michael's jacket hanging by the front door, as well as my purse. So for my self-care, I really didn't want to do too much since it was already kind of late. So I was just going to do some callus foot scraping and use the overnight Gold Bond on my feet after. I also have a nourishing face mask and some stress relief lotion. Thank you guys so much for watching my cleaning motivation video today. I really hope that it gave you some inspiration as well to tackle your Sunday or really any day to-do list. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
yesterday, there was sun in